बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लाखों करोड़ों दरूद आका सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर और उनकी आल पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। We learned, if we could discover some method by which our eyes could see what was happening on one of these distant bodies, we should see not what is happening today, but what was happening ages and ages ago. Full stop. If people something like ourselves lived on those little points of light, and if they could see what was happening on our earth, they looking at us today, would see not what is happening now, but what happened thousands or millions of years ago, according to the distance they are away. Full stop. But even when we remember these facts, it is for most of us difficult to get more than the smallest suggestion of an idea of what is meant when we are told that everything that has been, still is, and always will be. Full stop. It is difficult to believe that there will always be somewhere the picture of you as you sit reading these words. Full stop. Para. If we think of sound, it helps us to understand this point a little better. Full stop. We see a moment very much more quickly than we hear the sound resulting from that moment, for sound comes to us at only 1100 feet a second as against the 186,000 miles a second of light. Full stop. Let us say that I live half a mile from a big manufacturing plant, so that the sounds which come to me from the plant reach me about 2.5 seconds after the sounds were in fact made. Full stop. Let us say also that you will another half a mile down the road, away from the plant. Full stop. You would hear the same sounds 2.5 seconds after I heard them, that is 5 seconds after they were made. Full stop. Para. You would therefore make the statement that a certain sound took place at, say, 5 seconds past the hour, I would say that it happened at about 2 or 3 seconds past the hour, while the people at the works would say that it took place just at the hour. Full stop. So that when we say that a certain thing happened at a certain time, we really mean that it happened at that time in relation to our own position at that moment. Full stop. Para. The relation of time to distance and the relation of immediate time to time as a whole are subjects in which people grow more and more interested. Full stop. Two interesting plays have been written round the idea that everything that has happened in the past is still in existence, the point made by the plays being that a person who has a certain special sense highly developed can go back into the past and experience old and past events. Full stop. Para. But interesting as these ideas may be, there is another and much more usual points of view from which to consider time. Full stop. For all the general purposes of everyday life, we all understand time quite well, full stop. We know that each day is made up, full point.